16B. So we're on page 280. 100 draws are made at random with replacement from the box that has tickets 1 and 2. 47 draws turn out to be 1, and the remaining 53 are 2. What is the sum? How would you find that? It would be 47 times 1 plus 53 times 2, which gives you, what was it? 153. You have to double the 53 because they're worth 2. Okay? Number 2, 100 draws are made at random from the same box with replacement. How small can the sum be? What's the smallest possible sum? 100. That would be all ones. The largest possible sum would be 200. Okay. How many times do you expect the ticket 1 to turn up? 50, close to 50. And 2, 50. What would you expect the sum to be? So it would be 50 times 1 plus 50 times 2, which is 150, which happens to be right in the middle of 100 and 200. So it's going to end up looking like this. 100, 200, and then here is 150. The chance of getting these sums are very, very small. Why? You have to get lots of ones and only a couple twos. The chance of these is very unlikely because you'd get a bunch of twos and only a couple ones, and these are extremely likely because lots of half twos and half ones, or something close to that. Okay? So 3. 100 draws are made at random with replacement from the box 129. How small can the sum be? 100. How large can it be? 900. Okay, what would you expect the sum to be? 1/3 times 1. 1/3. 1/3 of 100 times 1 plus 1/3 of 100 times 2 plus 1/3 of 100 times 9. Right? So basically 33 times 1 plus 33 times 2 plus 33 times 9, 396. Now that's going to be slightly low. How come? It's actually 33.33333333. Yeah. So if I did 1/3 times 100 times 1 plus 1/3 times 100 times 2 plus 1/3 times 100 times 9, I actually get 400. Right? Because that 1/3 is the whole decimal. Okay? Is 400 halfway in between 100 and 900? No. Why not? So here we have 100, and here we have 900. Whoa, 900. And why is the middle not 450? Or actually, it would be 550, right? 8, oh, sorry. It would be 500. 500 is halfway between 100 and 900, right? No, that would be 0 and 900. So why did we get 400 and not 500? It's an easy explanation. It's the 2. Right? Our tickets are 1, 2, and 9. So it actually looks like this. Why does it have a right tail? Because of the 2. Or I guess you could say because of the 9. Jayla, are you confused? What's halfway between 100 and 900? No, that's 0 and 900. You're saying halfway from 0 to 900 is 450. What's halfway between 100 and 900? There's 800 in between there, so we need to go up 400. All right, J-Lo. Okay, 900 divided by 2 is 450. Okay? But what is 900 minus 100, or sorry, plus 100 divided by 2? The average of those is 500. They're both 4. Yep. So how come this has been shifted to the left? It's because of the 2. What number would that 2 need to be in order for this to be the middle? 5. Right? Halfway between 1 and 9. Okay. 4. 100 draws will be made at random with replacement from one of the following boxes. Your job is to guess what the sum will be, and you will win $1 if you are within 10. In each case, what would you guess? Okay, so if you're doing, hey, you are also not listening. Do I need to move you? No? Oh, okay. So 1 and 9. Well, what would we expect the answer to be? 50 times 1 plus 50 times 9. Right? So that's going to equal 500. Because you're doing 100 draws. So we would expect half 1 and half 5s. Yep. Okay. Number 2, 50 times 4 plus 50 times 6, which is also 500. Right? Now, we could have said, what is the smallest that we could be with a 4 and a 6? With 100 draws. 400. The highest would be 600. Is the average going to be right in the middle? Yeah, because there's only 2 tickets. Okay? And then number 3, 500. In fact, that is the only possible answer. They're both 5s. So 500. Oh, so in 1 it would be 100 or 900. And then in 2 it would be 400 and 600. And then there is no worst for 3. They're all the same. 1 ticket will be drawn from random from this box, digits 1 through 10. What is the chance that it will be a 1? 1 in 10. That it will be 3 or less? 3 in 10. 4 or more? 7. Ooh, don't say 6. Why not 6? 4 counts. Yep, 4 counts, so that would be 7. All right, number 6. 50 draws will be made at random with replacement from one of the 2 boxes shown. On each draw, you will be paid in dollars the amount shown on the ticket. Which box do you want? Box 1. Why? What is your expected value per game in the first box? $1. So if you play 100 times, you would expect to win $100. Because on average, you will win $1 per game. Okay, what is your expected winning per game in number 2? 0. If you play 100 times, you would expect to get 33 ones and negative 1, or sorry, 66 negative ones and 33 twos, and when you add that up, you get 0. 7. You gamble 4 times at a casino. You win $4 on the first play, lose $2 on the second, win 5, and lose 4. Which of the following calculations tell you how much you come out ahead? So 1 works because you have a winning of 4 and a winning of 5, and you have 2 losses of 2s and 3s. Or number 2, it has them in order. Win 4, lose 2, win 5, lose 3, and the others don't work. So 1 and 2.